Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really minimalistic, natural, glowy summer makeup tutorial. So this is actually my first proper sit down makeup tutorial video that I'm filming since I got married. So I did that video a couple of weeks back on my life update where I told you guys that I got married, and yes, this is my first time properly filming in the new house. And so I'm trying to work out setups, and yes, obviously the background's different, yes, the location's different, so I'm trying to work things out to see where's the best place to film, so bear with me. Might be this place, maybe not, we'll see. So basically with this makeup look, I did it the other day, I wore it the other day, and I absolutely loved it. It's super natural on my skin, it's super glowy, and it's just so pretty for the summertime. Like typically in the summer I don't like wearing a lot of makeup. I thought that this makeup look that I'm going to create was just really natural, really simple, and I thought it was perfect for the summertime. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by spraying my face with the Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. And the foundation that I'm going to go in with today is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow 24-hour foundation, and this is in the shade 201 Classic Ivory. This is a radiant finish for normal to dry skin. It's very hydrating, but I do like this. Even though I have oily skin, I love wearing this time of year because it is so glowy and dewy, and it's very sheer coverage. It's not full coverage at all. So what I love about this is that my natural freckles shine through it, so this doesn't cover up freckles. So if you have freckles and you want to show them off, use this foundation. I don't typically always like showing off my freckles. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't, but yeah, I really do like this foundation for the summertime. And yeah, it's in the shade Classic Ivory. So I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Expert face brush to apply this to my face. So as you can see, that just gives me that bit of colour, and it gives me a bit of a smoother finish to my face, but you can still see like my natural freckles through, you can see my skin through it, and it is so glowy and dewy. It is so beautiful. I really love this foundation. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this on underneath my eyes. And I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques contour brush. And then on top, going to go over with the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Fair. Just a little bit of this. And then I'm going to set that with a little bit of powder. This is the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder, translucent. Now I don't want to use too much powder, but obviously I do need to set my concealer and I need to set my face a little bit. So I'm just going to go in with a light hand. This is the e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush. I'm just going to put this all over my face as well. I'm then going to move on to my eyes, and I'm keeping it really simple today, but I'll zoom you in. Okay, so I'm going to take this Colourpop eyeshadow. This is the Super Shock shadow, and it's in the shade Fluffy. It's a very golden, gorgeous colour. I love these colours in the summertime. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm just going to pop this all over the lid. And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take this brown mustardy shade here, and I'm going to pop that through the crease on a Morphe R37 brush. Only a little bit. I'm then going to take this chocolatey brown shade here on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just going to smoke that out underneath the lower lash line. And that's all I'm doing really in terms of the eyeshadows. So now I'm going to apply this NYX Slide On Glide On eye pencil in Brown Perfection. You can see it's tiny. That's going to be going in the bin soon. So I'm just going to apply some of that. And then I'm going to apply my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel to my eyebrows. Then for mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paradise mascara in black. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Colour Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush. And then I'm going to go in with this blush. This is the L'Oreal Le Blush in Sandalwood Pink. I haven't used it before, so let's try this out. So it's a very dusty pink colour, and I'm also going to use another Real Techniques blush brush to apply it. That looks pigmented. Whew. Oh, that's pretty. If you go with a light hand, it's nice, but I think that if you went in heavy-handed, it'd be quite pigmented. But I think that's quite nice. Then I'm going to apply the Colourpop Lunch Money Highlighter with my Real Techniques Setting Brush. And then finally, I'm going to apply the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Apple Strudel. Strudel? Strudel? I don't know. And then this is the completed look. So this is a really natural, glowy, minimalistic summer makeup tutorial. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below of what your favourite summer go-to item is, or if you have any video requests for me, leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!